It is self-evident what this program does. You can resize and drag and drop the canvas element. To make it alive, the dynamic particle system is implemented. Randomly generated particles move within a canvas and bounce off its edges. Now let's take a look at the code. All is packed within one HTML file with internal CSS style and embedded JavaScript. The body element contains only a wrapper, which occupies a whole viewport and a canvas as its child. CSS style is basic. The wrapper occupies the whole viewport and the canvas will be set by JavaScript. The embedded JavaScript is segmented into 4 sections: global variables, events, logic, and start here section. At the start, when the page is fully loaded, the unload event is fired. First function, set canvas pose and size, is called to set the initial canvas position and size. Canvas is placed in the center and has half the size of the viewport. The next step is to call the initParticles function to create 100 particles with random size, color and velocity. The last step is to call the animation loop. The function setCanvasPose and size accepts 4 arguments: left, top, width and height, and positions and sizes the canvas accordingly. The initParticles function accepts 1 argument: the number of particles to create. The objects created by using the particles class are stored in the global array variable particles. Within a while loop, new particle is called. It returns a fully constructed object representing a particle, and this object is pushed in the array 100 times in our case. This array is used in the animation loop. For each array method, calls update and render functions to calculate new particle positions and draw them on the canvas for each frame. The update function calculates particle position within the canvas and handles collisions with edges. Don't let the particles fly in open space. When it reaches the edge, it bounces off. The render function draws a particle on the canvas. This process goes automatically, but there are 3 mouse events waiting for the user to do something. Mouse down, mouse up and mouse move handle the drag and drop and resize functionality. They call the same function handle canvas, passing the mouse event object as an argument. To handle 3 mouse events calling this function, there is a switch operator. e.type is the type property of the event object, so each case performs required operations. Mouse down initializes drag or resize, mouse up ends it, and mouse move updates canvas position and dimensions if drag or resize is active. To change cursor style when the mouse is within a canvas, it calls the helper function setCursorStyle. This function detects mouse position relative to canvas edges and corners to determine appropriate cursor styles. After that is done, within a mouse move case switch operator, the cursor style property is evaluated and the canvas is repositioned and resized. As always, extensive comments are everywhere. I scroll the whole HTML file now. That's all for now. Have a nice one.